Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Idan. I'm a yoga teacher who loves to share this practice with the world. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you yoga for period cramps relief. Although I never experienced cramps by myself, but I live with Natalia for the past 12 years and I know how it feels. So today I'm gonna share with you 3 poses that you can do at home to relieve the pain once and for all. So let's jump right into it. So the first pose and the most easiest one to do is child pose, as it helps to stretch the lower back and relieve the pressure from that area. How it's done? Super simple. You start in all four position, basically hands and knees down on the ground, feet together, knees slightly to the sides, and then you lower the hips down towards the bum, and then you send the arms forward and lower the forehead down to the ground. You stay in this pose as much as you need, maybe for a minute or 2 or 5. It really depends on you. You just hang in here and enjoy and adjust yourself if you need. Now, if you find it hard to bring the bum towards the heels, then you can use a pillow or a blanket and place it in between, just to elevate the butt a little bit, and then you can do it easily. You can even place the forehead on top of a block or elevate it with something. And another option is to send the arms backwards next to the body and just enjoy this pose. Super relaxing, super simple to do. Try it. And let's move to the second one. The next pose is the most relieving of them all. Super simple and feels so good. Help you relieve not only the pain, also digestive issues, and just relax the body totally. I'm talking about butterfly pose. Now you can do the butterfly pose seated. Bring the sole of the feet together, knees to the sides, and you can sit in here. Open the hips and feel the stretch, ground yourself, and you can even lean forward if it feels maybe a little bit better, a bit comfy for you. Another option that I really love is the reclining butterfly pose. Basically, you do the same thing, feet together, knees to the sides, and then you lay on top of a big pillow or a blanket. And you just relax in here. You breathe deeply and you enjoy. Now you can support the knees if you need with like pillows or something to support below, or just let them hang in here, up to you. You breathe, relax, and enjoy. Let's move to the third pose. The last pose of the 3 is super simple and very good to relieve the pressure from the lower back once again. I'm talking about the twist, but on the back. So basically you lay on your back. Ooh, yeah, a great start. Then you bring one knee towards your chest and then you lower it in 90 degrees to the opposite side. And right away you're gonna feel a good stretch in the lower back. And you simply relax in here, open the other arm to the side. And you breathe and enjoy. You stay in this position as much as you need, a minute or 2 or less, really up to you. And remember to do it on both sides. Oh yeah. I love this pose. Enjoy! So there you have it, 3 yoga poses that you can do to relieve period cramps. Now, if you keep the body active all the time during the year, not only when you're feeling cramps, then it's gonna be super easy for you the next time. So I highly recommend you to add a yoga practice into your life so you can keep the body in top shape, healthy and pain-free. Now if you need help to start doing yoga and create a yoga routine, I have a kit for you that you can grab in the link up in here or below this video. So go check it out, completely free. Just add yoga into your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like, leave me a comment below if you find the poses helpful, and of course share it with your bestie because probably she needs those poses as well. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss a thing, and I will see you here on the next video. Until then, always remember to do yoga. It just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.